It's Thursday. It's post hump day. I'm about to get these labels printed and go back out and get on the dually. Ryan's here early, so he's starting on the bottle mounting for that's going in the bed for the purge kit. So I'm gonna go out there and help with that, and come back in and finish cutting up these pipe sets. But I'm sure there'll be plenty in between to show you. I had a couple questions about, when I do videos, people usually ask about an order. There's a lot that doesn't get shown in the video, obviously. I'm here, about 9.5 hours a day, and these videos get cut down to about 5 to 6 minutes. So we don't show everything, but a lot gets done every day. But yeah, let me get out there. I'll finish these labels and go from there. Show you the truck. Now over to the Subaru. I'm going to go ahead and start reworking this pipe first. Since he swapped intake manifolds with the built motor, fitment's got way off compared to the original motor. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out, get better clearance here, better clearance in front of the motor, and better clearance here, basically better clearance everywhere. So yeah, I'll go ahead and pull this apart. Ryan is over there now working on the truck, and I'll go over there and check that out as well. But yeah, I'll go ahead and get this disassembled. WRX pretty much fit up. I just got to go in tomorrow. I'm going to mark the blow-off valve location, get the flange welded up or fit up, then I'll weld it all up. We also got the Chevrolet finish today, so I'll show you close up now the purge set up on it. The bottle's empty, so I can't, show you it purging, but I'll show you the purge setup. Got the bottle mounted in the rear, which the push lock hardware goes under the truck. And it's all covered with a bed cover, so you won't see it. We put it where you can just reach behind, flip the cover up, reach behind, turn the bottle on, and then flip the cover back down. We got the purge line all loomed, so you really can't see it, it blends in. With the solenoid's mounted down in the back corner. Comes up, splits in the cowl, and purges out both sides. So it should work effectively how you wanted it. Ryan also got the purge set up, wrapped up, which we've got a purge out of each corner of the cowl right here. You got them spray painted flat black so it blends in. There's one in each corner, identical angle. You can see it right there on the other side. So that should do exactly what he wants. He can hit the button inside and it'll purge out each corner of the windshield. So yeah, that's done. I'll give him a call. He can come pick this truck up hopefully tomorrow.